What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out and installing the IAG Dome Light Kit for the Ford Bronco. This is the IAG Interior Dome Light Kit, the perfect solution for adding some much needed lighting to the interior of your Bronco. Say goodbye to dim and dark interiors, and hello to a bright and well-lit cabin. This kit is designed to bolt to the existing hardware above each door, so no drilling or special tools are required, as everything you need is included in this box. The super bright LEDs shine directly down, providing just the right amount of light for you and your passengers without being blinded. The plug-and-play wiring harness included with the kit makes installation easy with just one wire to connect under the dash, meaning that you won't need to be an expert in automotive wiring to get this job done. Once installed, the lights work seamlessly with your OEM map lights and even dim when turning off, just like stock. This means that you won't have to worry about flickering or any weird behavior when using your lights. The IAG Dome Light Kit is not only functional, but also stylish, matching the design cues of your interior, giving this a true OEM Plus look. The LEDs emit a clean, modern white light that will make your Bronco feel more luxurious by adding something that Ford should have included from the factory. The lights are also durable and built to last, so you won't have to worry about replacing them anytime soon. Overall, the IAG Interior Dome Light Kit is an excellent investment for any Bronco owner looking to upgrade their interior lighting. So now that we've talked a little bit about the IAG Dome Light Kit, let's get in the shop and get them installed. Start by disconnecting the battery. Remove the two bolts securing the front trim panel. Remove the cover panels in the front corners. Remove the front driver's side trim panel. Repeat on the passenger side. Remove driver's side A-pillar trim panel. Repeat on the passenger side. Locate the ground cable with the ring terminal and ground it to the roll bar. Route the longer side of the harness behind the airbag from above. Once past the bolt, route it up and behind the airbag from below and to the rear. Route the end of the wiring harness with the two connectors behind the upper trim panel and toward the passenger side. Route the wire between the airbag and the airbag support bracket as done on the driver's side. Route wires above the front and rear doors as done on the driver's side. Using a T30 Torx bit, remove the 4 bolts securing the grab handle and remove it. Remove the trim panel covering the door jamb. Run the remainder of the harness down through the door trim and toward the footwell. You can then reinstall the A-pillar panel. This part was tricky to film, so we attached pictures for reference. Remove the wiring harness connector. Using a razor blade, gently cut tape covering the wiring harness with purple stripe. Install the T-tap onto the gray and purple stripe wire. Install the connector onto the T-tap. Reinstall the factory connector into the fuse box. Reinstall the door jamb trim panel. Reinstall the grab handle. Plug in, position, and bolt up the front dome lights. Now just plug in, position, and bolt up the rear dome light. Repeat on the passenger side and your installation is complete. Alright guys, that's going to just about wrap this video up. As you just saw, we got the IAG Dome lights installed in this Ford Bronco. This is a must-have interior accessory, so if you don't have a set already, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you in the description below so you can go ahead and pick yourself up a set. If you guys like this video, make sure you're smashing that like button. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you're doing so and you have that notification bell clicked so you don't miss out on any of the fresh Bronco content. And if you got a comment for us, go ahead and drop it below. Thanks for watching.